This will actually save you a lot of money on your AC by sealing up all your doors and windows so your AC won't work as hard. Rubber seal, silicone, rubber, premium rubber. You can find all this actually at Home Depot. One of the things that I do recommend buying is the premium rubber. These are by Frostbite. This will help you insulate your doors and windows. There's a variety. And then on the other side, we actually have thresholds for the doors, for the bottom of the door. The pricing is not bad. Currently in Georgia, it's about 105 degrees, and every time I go home, I fire up the AC and it's still hot. Now that I found out that my window is leaking AC out, my AC unit has to work twice as hard. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the seal and talk about some of the material you can buy to make it more durable so you don't have to replace it a lot. Let's get to it. All right, let's open this door. As you can see, it's already ripped. And there's actually a sponge in here, and the fabric is just like peeled off. It's not very durable, but it is soft and it is insulating. So I actually went to Home Depot and bought the same exact thing, but they actually made a durable version of it. There's no foam, but the plastic is a lot harder. It's more sturdy. I bought this one, and then right here, it's called Frost King Elite Choice Door and Window Replacement. We'll try both of it out, see which one we like best. All right, first step is to just peel it off. All you have to do is just pull. There's an actual groove in here. You see that? Pull the groove, and it comes right out. Super easy. Look at that. As you can see in here, let me zoom in. There's the leftover I have to remove. Let's see if we can pull all that out right here. Alright, so I got this Elite foam. You can see it's pretty thick, and it's a hard rubber. Alright, let's put this in. Slide this up. Use your finger, slide it down. Make sure to get it into the groove, this little plastic thing right here, and it holds it. Okay, seems like this little groove is too short. I might not use this one. See, it keep coming off. Let's try the other one. You can see the groove. So let me show you this. So this rubber part right here and this flat part will be facing out. Slide in there. All you do is push it in, and that's it. No glue, no tape, nothing. And we'll slide it in. Ooh, definitely use some force. Feeling some sweat, especially in this weather. And this made a little bit long is because they want that extra room, so that way you can cut it. Let me show you how to cut it. All right, I got my shop scissors by Cobalt right here. Just gonna measure it down right here. Simply do a guesstimate. You want to cut a little bit longer just in case, because it's too short, you can't go back. Cut a little bit shorter. Alright, perfect. So I have a flathead, you can use this, or anything dull around your house you can use just to push it in. You also don't want to rip it. So here you see how the groove is coming out. Push it straight in. Look at that, nice and smooth. Make sure there's no gap. $13 fix. Air sealed. No more AC working super hard. Good luck. Having a question, please comment and subscribe. Thank you.